बीजेपी नेता तिमिलिसाई सुंदरराजन ने कहा वे किसी भी संवैधानिक पद का सम्मान नहीं कर रहे हैं। वे प्रधानमंत्री की मीटिंग में शामिल नहीं हो रहे हैं। वे नीति आयोग की मीटिंग में नहीं जा रहे हैं। विपक्ष द्वारा शासित सभी राज्य यही कर रहे हैं। मुख्यमंत्री और राज्यपाल को बैठकर बहुत दोस्ताना तरीके से बात करनी चाहिए। बहुत सारी समस्याएं हल हो सकती हैं, लेकिन तमिलनाडु के मुख्यमंत्री नहीं चाहते कि कोई समस्या हल हो। वे चाहते हैं कि तमिलनाडु उबलता रहे, ना कि सुलझता रहे।
Former governor and our governor, we were all sitting in a table and we were talking. So, if the chief minister come, apart from the office, exact office hours, there can be an informal, friendly talk. Why they are avoiding that? So this is why at home is planned. From the Independence Day, why at home is planned? It's not only just customary. To meet all the opposition leaders, to meet the leaders, to greet the leaders. So this is planned only in an unofficial method. We can meet and greet and eat. But they don't want to do anything. Just to boycott means it is a bad example. They are setting a bad role model for the future generation. If an invitation is given, it should be honored. So all the opposition parties ruled by all the states ruled by the opposition parties, they are following the same thing. In Puducherry, the chief minister, not now the chief minister, then chief minister Narayanasamy boycotted it, and BRS totally he boycotted it. It's not good. Chief minister and governor should sit and talk in a very friendly manner. So many problems can be solved. But for chief minister, he did not want any problem to be solved. He wanted the Tamil Nadu to be in a boiling state, not in a solving state. So he want to be boiled. Always he is telling, no, but Tamil Nadu is agitating. We are safeguarding the Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is at the top. Yes, Tamil Nadu is at the top because of the Tamil Nadu people, hard work of Tamil Nadu. But everything he says only because of him. No? People now totally understand. He is telling, no, everyone is seeing the legs, so how can they see the sun? He himself telling, now also rain is coming, he was telling. Even, not only when the Prime Minister came, sun disappeared. Even when CM was there, sun disappeared. He is telling everyone's looking at the leg. Oh, why can't you look at the back? Agitations are going on. If you look at this side, so many problems are there in Tamil Nadu. So instead of seeing all the problems, simply he is seeing only the NDA. NDA leaders are wondering who is calling, who is responding, who is coming. So let him stop that and see the problem in Tamil Nadu.